Okay, everyone, you never ever pull fire alarms for fun, and you never ever tamper with fire alarm equipment in public buildings. Because fire alarms are not toys, they are very serious life safety devices. Because they alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate the building immediately. And also notify the fire department to come and put the fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground. So this is the reason why these things should never ever be messed with. Only pull fire alarms when there is a real fire, or if you have permission to do it for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that is in a controlled, legal environment where the fire department doesn't come. But if it's not for those reasons, do not pull fire alarms. Also, never ever tamper with fire alarm equipment for any reason unless you have your own fire alarm system at home. But if it's in a public building, do not for any reason. Bye.